She's perfect.
So what's gonna happen today is like technically I'm gonna seize the dog.
So Christmas is officially over in the Roy household. We had my whole family here. It was awesome. It was an old-fashioned Griswold Christmas, I guess you could say. My first Griswold Christmas. Got to bring Roxy to the neighbors where she is going to get watched for a couple of days before her life changes forever. We will be hitting the road, heading west towards Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. It's about a 4-hour drive, which is basically right at the border, so we're going to spend the night there so that we can cross the border first thing the next morning, and then we're going to drive a bit. We looked at the first available appointment to get COVID tested, so we need a PCR test in order to come back into Canada, which means we need to get it as soon as we cross the border. Regulations just changed. It makes no sense to me, but whatever. There's a lot of things that don't make sense right now. Drop off Roxy, and then we hit the road. Let's go.
Roxy, ready to go?
So we had a little bit of a false start. Packed up Roxy to bring her to the neighbors. Noticed a little bit of a noise coming from the front end of my truck. It's been a rough few months with this truck. I actually just got it back last week, just before Christmas. It had been in the shop for 3 weeks after an accident. It needed a new hood and a new windshield and a new grill after some freak accident with a snowplow. Before that, needed a couple, had 2 starters replaced under warranty, had the whole engine replaced. So yeah, it's been a rough go. I am no mechanic, but have a basic understanding on some stuff. So cranked the wheel, had a look, and sure enough, I think it's called a CV shaft, but front drive shaft, I guess. That's not really normal. That doesn't work. In my opinion, we could still drive it, but just no 4-wheel drive for the trip. A little complication, but what are you gonna do? We move on and let's go get this puppy. December 28th. We drove 4 hours west yesterday to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Canada. Slept here for the night. Now we're about to cross the border. We got an appointment in 3 hours. Where's the appointment?
Gaylord, Michigan.
Gaylord. Seriously? All right, Gaylord, Michigan. Going to Gaylord, Michigan. Yeah, Walgreens. That's where our next date is. Go to get a COVID test.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hi, here for a COVID PCR?
A PCR, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Sure, what are your last names?
Roy?
Alright, give me a minute to get these straightened out for you, okay?
Okay, no worries.
Thanks. When you look at the kit, when you get into it, the only 2 things I want you to take out are the vial and the swab. Okay? Everything else stays in the bag. If you have difficulty, just shove that swab up through the top and pull it out.
Okay.
You're going to go big sweeping circles like you're painting the inside of your nostril.
Okay.
15 seconds each side.
Okay.
1001, 1002 to 15. Same thing on this side. 1001, 1002 to 15. Put them back into the blue tote there, and I'll take them from there. You get your results back in 2 to 3 days, or 2 to 4 days, and the email that you provided when you signed up for the test.
Okay.
All right? So you have a good day.
Okay, thanks so much.
Swab complete.
Complete. So, pray it comes back within 72 hours.
2 to 4 days. Hopefully it's shorter. Short as
So,
possible.
On the website it said 1 to 2. So I'm an optimist.
Rest of the journey. We got a 6-hour drive
To the hotel. But
to the hotel.
no rush because we got nothing else to do today.
Rolling?
For bits?
Yeah.
And we have you for 1 night in a king room. Okay, just need an ID and then a credit card for incidentals. This is your first time with us?
Yes.
Well, welcome. We're very glad to have you.
Thank you. We're at the hotel. Heather found this pretty awesome hotel. We are in
Findlay, Ohio.
about 30 minutes away from the farm where we're gonna pick up our dog. This is where we stopped for the night. Turns out it's this really cute little town. We went for a walk. We found a little Irish pub.
Very well decorated for Christmas, which kind of adds to the feel.
Yeah. So yeah, it was pretty awesome. We had stuffed our face with a bunch of appetizers. They were amazing. Then walked around, checked out the town. It's just super awesome, cute. So while we were away, our girls were having a really tough time. It's been a while since they've been away from us, and we didn't quite expect that. And the reaction was quite heartbreaking. Started with a lot of texts. Just them being lonely, then like non-stop texts, more and more and more, and then some pretty painful FaceTime calls. Very
Emotional tears, which we're not really used to seeing from them. Yeah, it was sad. It was hard.
and it makes it extra tough because we don't exactly know when we're coming back, so we're kind of at the mercy of when we get the results from our tests. So that's the plan. Basically, pick up the puppy tomorrow morning
And head to the border and kind of wait there until we get our PCR test, which is hopefully within 72 hours. If not, it's another 72 hours.
Yeah. So anyway, while we were gone, we told the girls, I mean, we had maybe like 5 or 6 names floating around for the last month, and we just couldn't all agree on one. So finally yesterday, we told the girls, just figure it out. You know, we left
We're
it in...
good with whatever you decide, but you have to decide between each other.
Yeah.
And yeah, they did. They figured it out.
Yeah, they
is
figured it out.
amazing.
And so the name they picked?
It was River.
River. So yeah.
Which is super cute because the mom's name's River. River Roy.
River Roy. There could be like maybe like a RJ there because it's like River Junior. You know, obviously we live on the river. AT is on the river, so like it all kind of makes sense. So yeah, so we're pretty happy about it. So tomorrow we get to meet River and pick her up. So yeah, in the morning, and then drive back to the border. That's the plan.
Yeah, and wait for our email.
Yeah.
Look at these faces. Hello.
Hello. You want to come home with us? You want to come home with us? Yeah.
Do you have others? He's ours. She's perfect.
Yeah. Should we FaceTime the girls right now before we get the... Are you ready?
Yeah? Oh my god! She right?
No, she's a good size.
Oh my god!
She's perfect.
She's so snuggly.
Oh, she is. And then she cries as soon as you let her go. Instead of she wants to be just snuggled in.
Did you get your COVID results back yet?
Not yet, babe.
We're gonna keep driving and hopefully we get them by
Oh my
tomorrow.
god, she's so adorable.
We'll send you a picture too so you can
She's
share.
the best.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, I wish you guys could be here.
Okay, so we'll FaceTime you again from the road in a little bit, okay? We just want to get on the road now, so.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Why don't you explain why such a long journey to pick up River?
We fell in love with the Brown Newfoundlanders, and Canadian kennel clubs do not recognize Brown as legit in their eyes. So we had to go find one in the States. And I found the perfect breeder, and they breed beautiful Brown Newfoundlanders. So American Kennel Club will register them. Yeah, so again, we had to go to Ohio, Forest, Ohio for her. It was a bit of an adventure. We were happy with our decision. Got to make a road trip, and we got her. And she's perfect.
Emergency stop?
Emergency stop. River's got the runs.
What happened?
Oh, she pooped in the back seat.
Oh, it smells
I
fantastic.
was ready for everything but that. She's not crying anymore.
She cried for, not even that long.
No.
A minute or two. And
Yeah.
then, yeah, emergency.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. Nope.
Oh, hello there. Long drive.
Poppers are massive.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Hi.
Morning, baby.
Did you get your results?
Yes.
They got the results. They came back negative?
Yeah, we're all packed up and we're gonna leave in like 15 minutes. Yeah.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, good morning.
Because he's filming our reaction. That was definitely cool.
Oh,
Can
wait.
I see River? Can I see River?
Yes.
Oh, hello, River.
She's sleeping. Okay, we're gonna get on the road and we'll see you soon. Ish. I love you.
Love you too.
Hey.
Bye.
Stop
See you
smiling.
soon.
Stop smiling.
Love you.
Okay.
Pretty smile.
It's a beautiful smile.
I see the dimple.
Love you. You as well. Just in the door this
Does anybody have a cough, fever, difficulty breathing?
No.
Okay, IDs to start.
IDs.
Where does everybody live?
Albin, Ontario.
Okay, what was the purpose of your trip to the States?
Went and picked up a puppy.
Okay, how long were you gone for?
Since Tuesday, so the 29th, 2 days.
Nice. What did you each buy or receive?
Just the puppy.
What's the value?
It was 800 American.
Receipt?
I don't.
You didn't get a receipt at all.
She was supposed to send it to me. Her printer was down and she didn't. I reminded her yesterday, but she never did.
So that's not good.
I know.
So basically, I'm just going to send you under the canopy. They're going to have to try to figure out about no receipt,
Okay.
because that's an issue.
Okay. So just pull in
Go
there.
to the
And
left underneath, and they'll come in out and talk to you.
Perfect.
Okay?
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
What's it?
Good morning. Good.
Good. Alright, here's a yellow piece of paper that we have there.
Yes.
Thank you. What kind of puppy?
A Newfoundlander.
Newfoundlander. Alright, cool. We're just gonna take a look on board too. Get you guys to step out for me.
Yep.
Check the truck.
Yep.
Morning.
I'll just get you at the front of the truck for me.
Sure.
Yeah, nothing else aside from the puppy. Okay, so I'll be honest, the way, like, dog. Is that a registered dog?
She's limited registration.
How was that explained to you by the breeder? Like what's limited mean?
I don't know. I paid less and she told me it was limited. We can't register them in Canada. That's why we had to go to the States.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how'd the whole buying process go in terms of like the dog, how to contact them, did you find them?
I found them online.
Like online on Facebook or like online?
There's I think it was I've looked at so many of them. I did, the Facebook is where it's all.
Okay. How long ago did you start like contacting them with the dog?
Maybe 6 months ago.
And then when it was advertised that you get reviewed?
Pardon me?
How long were you in the States for?
A couple of days.
Okay. And what's your relationship to
my
wife. Your wife? Okay, right on. The little fellow in the back there.
Yeah.
No receipt?
Well, no, no, we didn't get it.
How come?
She said she was going to send it when we were there, said her printer was down. She said, I'll send it. We woke up this morning, she didn't. I tried contacting her, haven't heard back. Obviously, when we realized it was an issue, she just tried calling her 3 times, no answers.
Okay, so you drove down to Ohio. You put a deposit down on the dog by chance? Was there usually there's deposits requested if it's a professional breeder? I'm assuming.
I'm almost positive she did, but yeah, Heather took care of all of that.
Okay, so your wife took care of the details.
Yes.
Okay, all right, right on.
Yeah.
The market's kind of crazy right now. So when something's different than that, it draws attention as to if that's like a legitimate value for the dog or what you paid for it, right? And then you combine that with, I don't have a receipt for it, I can't show you the money, I can't show you where it came out, I can't. See what I'm saying? See where I'm going?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have anything that you can provide to me that would like alleviate those concerns? Like your initial deposit was through PayPal, right?
Yep.
Did you do anything else through that or not? Okay, can you show me like the Facebook conversation and text messages, anything like that? No? Alright, okay, so do you want to be truthful like about it, or because like it looks like you're hiding something and you're not telling me the truth? So I'd just like you to, before I go through your phone and like make this a big deal, like you just tell me the truth. That'd be.
I'm sorry. I paid 1800.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, sweet. So that was 1800 US.
Yeah.
Okay, so how did the actual transaction actually go? Yeah. Okay, so what was the initial deposit?
Yeah.
$200. Okay, so that part is true. All right. So $200, and then what did you leave Canada with today, or where did you pay her? Like, how did you pay the remaining? Okay, so how much did you pay? Like the $1,600 US or Canadian?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much was it Canadian? Do you know? Do you know what the conversion rate or what they actually billed you? Or? Okay, so you just said you wanted to pay however much and converted it and took it out of your account? Okay. So the true value of the dog is $1,800 US. Okay. So now do you want to tell me the truth in terms of like receipts, money trails, that kind of thing, or do I go through your phone?
You can go through my phone.
Okay.
I apologize.
All right, can you show me instead of me having to like go through it because it turns into like a bigger deal?
No, for sure.
Yeah. All right. Where's your phone in the truck?
Yeah, it's
Did you ever have a phone or?
In the center console.
just sitting.
Sorry.
The phone.
Grab your phone. Which case is it? Or do you
It has
have your phone on you? Or?
Both are there. The pink, yeah.
All right. Cool.
Where is the registration for the vehicle?
Do you want me to get it?
I can get it. Just tell me where it is.
In the top glove box.
Okay.
Yeah, you look at Facebook or PayPal app.
No,
Yeah.
glove box, the top one.
So do you have actual receipts for it or no?
No, like I said, she was supposed to, and we had that conversation. She's super sweet. But her communication's
Unreliable.
been- yeah.
So that's sweet. All right. Okay. Cool. So what's gonna happen today is like technically I'm gonna seize the dog for an undervaluation of that dog. Because we said it was $800, it's $1,800. And there's going to be associated terms of release on those goods, the goods being the dog. Okay, so you're going to pay, I think it's 40% or 25%. I have to look at the actual amount for a live dog. And then that's to get the dog back. Okay, so you didn't provide any false receipts or any receipts at that point. So it's not the highest level. Like if you had of, then it would have came with that, and it also comes with an automatic vehicle seizure as well. Then you have to pay to get that back as well. Okay. So right now it's just the dog. It's gonna stay in the car. You got the registration?
Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna take your IDs and we'll do some paperwork. I'm gonna process that. Then you pay the terms of release to get the dog back. I'll let you know what that is and how much. And you can do that here. Credit card, debit, whatever you want to do.
Don't lie. Not worth it.
Feel shame.
I feel shame. I never lie. It wasn't even my idea. Apparently, a dog's a good. We were given the idea to have a lesser value. So we didn't have a receipt because the breeder hadn't sent one to us. So we said we paid $800 and we became suspicious. And I tried to go with a lie and I had to tell the truth. So now apparently the dog's seized, but not physically. And they're gone to do
Still here.
paperwork. And I gotta pay a fine. I think. Free.
Are we criminals?
I am. I'm flagged for 7 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's nice about it. I said I'm really I'm really sorry. I said I'm such a rule follower. This is unlike me. And he's like it's not personal to me. I'm like I know, but I'm like I just feel bad. I'm like I don't do this. I'm like it was just suggested to me. And he's like just out of curiosity, why did you? I'm like save money. like in hindsight, he's like, yeah, okay. So, got charged 25% of the undervalue of the, yeah. So it was like $370. Let's go home.
Hi. Oh my god. She's littler than Sophie. She's so adorable.
Get back to the house.
Okay.
Okay. Who are those people?
I want to hold her. I want to hold her.
She got sharp claws.
It's okay.
And she likes to be snuggled.
Oh, she licks. Oh, she licks.
She probably has to pee too.
Oh, you know. Can we let her go? She gets to run around. Hi! Oh, hello! Hi, River. Hi. You're my new sister. So cool.
She's such a fluff ball, eh?
Hi, Mom. Whoa!
Hi.
Oh, you went under the truck, guys.
Missed you.
I want to pick her up. Oh, that big fluff ball. Oh, that big fluff ball. Hi. We were outside. So we were both standing there, just looking, and we were right there. And then
You want to go down?
I just
Whoa. You clumsy.
River! You're so precious. River! You're so precious. Oh my god! She's so amazing! Here,
Yeah, help her up.
She's okay.
She didn't yelp, so she's okay.
She's just like that. She's so adorable.